Nalarewatum. Today, I'll teach you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification. You can make as many Gmail accounts as you want. You can even create up to 40 accounts per day, all without number verification. This video is especially for those who want to make unlimited Gmail accounts. So what do you need to do first? If you already have YouTube on your phone, that's great. If not, install YouTube. Because today, we'll create unlimited Gmail accounts through YouTube. This is a new and completely genuine method. I've personally created many accounts using it. I'll show you live proof of how I made these accounts. If you also want to create unlimited Gmail accounts, then this video is for you. First, open YouTube. Once it opens, click on the profile icon at the bottom where your picture appears. After that, you'll see a small option called Switch Account. Click on it. Here you can see all of my unlimited Gmail accounts. I made all of these in just one day, and there was no phone number verification required anywhere. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. If you don't understand something, try to watch and follow the video carefully. Watch till the end so that you can also become an expert in creating unlimited Gmail accounts. Below, you'll find an option that says Create Account. Click on it. After clicking, two options will appear. One for my personal use, two for work or my business. You must select the second option, for work or my business. A new page will open where you need to enter your first name and last name. Write your name however you want. After typing your name, read it once more to make sure it's correct. Then click the next button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and turn the bell icon to all so you'll get notifications for every new video first. I upload videos daily about online earning so you can earn a halal honest income from home. Next, you'll see a page asking for your date of birth. Your age should be between 18 and 20 years. I'll select my date of birth here. After that, select your gender. If you're male, choose male. If you're female, choose female. Then click Next. On the next page, you'll see two Gmail address options related to your name. You must select the bottom one. If you accidentally select the top one, you won't be able to create unlimited Gmail accounts. The method I'm showing is for creating unlimited Gmail accounts without number verification. If you don't follow the trick correctly, the verification option will appear. So choose the bottom Gmail and then click Next. Now you'll need to set a password. The password should be between 10 and 15 characters long. Create a strong password, then double check it. If everything looks good, click Next. Now your Gmail account will be created without any number verification. See? No verification option appeared. If you want to make more Gmail accounts, just repeat the same process. Follow the same YouTube method I've shown, and you can create as many Gmail accounts as you want. I hope you like this short video. I tried my best to give you the best guide on how to create unlimited Gmail accounts. This video is 100% genuine. I showed you live how I created a Gmail account. I've personally made 40 Gmail accounts without any number verification, so we'll meet again in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, turn the bell icon to all, and don't forget to like the video.